Okay, a wet day it is. As you can see, this is my hair length at the moment. It's been fun having my hair this long, really. It's only been roughly the last 4 or 5 weeks that I've been able to go like that behind my ear and it actually stay there. Okay, so it's taken me a year and a half to get my hair at a length where I can just go like that and it's fine and it doesn't flop down in my ears. Tomorrow though, I'm going to have my ear cut, so most of this will be gone. A little bit off the back, as I say, although the back is still long. The back is still, you know, it's the same length. It's been growing permanently for the last up 10 years. I'm going to get around to shaving as well. So yes, this does actually meet in the middle. So if I do shave my beard off, I can always just use my hair as a beard. But yeah. But tomorrow, it's haircut day. I have enjoyed having it. But now, and what we're working on the bus, and every time you go forward like that, you can't see anything except for your face. Sorry, just your hair. See, every time you try and do like that, and you're trying to work on the bus, and it just goes, and you just can't see. And in the hot weather, like it is now here, even though it's raining at the moment outside, absolutely, yeah, shucking it down. But yeah, so haircut tomorrow. What will it look like tomorrow? I'll let you know. Oh boy, it's gonna be gone. Ready? Ready? Ready for my new haircut? Ready? Ready? Look! Oh! Ready? One more time. I know! I know, look! Look, this is what I look like now. I know. It's just so different. But much more easier to manage. And at least I don't wake up in the morning with a face full of hair. Literally, face full of hair. No, that bit's gone. So this is what I look like with my new hairstyle with headphones on. I say pretty groovy. But then again, my glasses don't work properly and I can't focus. Okay, wish me luck, I'm going down under. Oh, right, now, I've got a voot-vooting noise. And I'm not sure where the voot-vooting noise is coming from under here. I'm assuming, oh gosh, if I can get under the bus, bear with me. I'm assuming that I'm assuming it must be something to do with this. Is that supposed to do that? Hello? I'm just checking underneath here. Hello, young doggy. Look. Hello. Alright, see you later.
If it's not that, then let's see if it's this one that's making the noise. He says, hang on, I'm a bit stuck here. Is there something there? Is there something in there? I think there is. I think that is together. But there's definitely something making a whoop whoop noise as you go along, like a vibration. The exhaust seems alright, and it should be. Somebody said to me that there was like a washer thing, a rubber thing. Is that the rubber thing? Is that supposed to make that noise? See, I don't know. And to be honest, I don't really know if that's supposed to be like that. I'm assuming it is. Unless it's something there. I don't know. Is it supposed to smell of petrol down there? I won't have a fag at the moment. Everything else seems alright under here. Actually see metal. So, oh yeah, I suppose that is the same, it's sticking out somewhere. That is what I'm assuming is making the noise, is these things. I really don't know, because unless you're going along you can't really tell. That's the problem. But there is definitely a shudder from underneath. I don't like. Okay. The things you do. Love it. Right, I'm out. Okay. Ooh. Well, I'm not going to do that again. Just so that you know, I haven't got a cold. I just keep sneezing and my nose keeps running, but it's not cold, it's I don't know what it is. Oh gosh, and my eyes are running, but besides that, I feel fit and fine.
The water's lovely. Do come in.